ICAP is the Immigrant Child Advocacy Project, and we've been in existence for 7 years. And the idea of the project was to serve as like a guardian ad litem, a friend of the child for kids in immigration proceedings. So, and I have to step back a little and explain that in immigration proceedings, there's first of all no right to a lawyer at government expense. Second of all, there are no special children's courts, there are no special judges, there are some recommended special procedures that are very, very rarely used. So our job was to go in and create a new role, which is somebody to advocate for the child's best interest while they're in immigration proceedings, so while they're at risk of being deported. And this is something that's very common in juvenile and family courts. If a kid is in court, they get assigned a GAL, and that GAL's job is to look out for that child's best interest. So our job in immigration court is to look out for the kid's best interest. So we have law students. We're based right now at the University of Chicago Law School. And we have law students, social work students, and then a lot of lay volunteers who speak a variety of languages, because for us it's important that the person who's meeting with the child speaks the child's language. And our job is to advocate with everybody in the system, and there are many, many people in the system. There are lawyers who represent the kids, there are immigration judges, asylum officers, immigration, ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement. There are shelters where the kids are in custody. There's part of the federal government that decides where the kids are going to be held in custody. So there are many, many different actors, and our job is to stand with the child and advocate with all these different people. We ask our volunteers to go and visit the kids and spend time with them every week, and over time to very slowly get to know the kids' stories. So we don't send them in with an intake form to ask lots of questions. We ask them to spend time with the kids and over time to learn their stories, and then really kind of agitate with all these different people in the system to make sure that whatever decision is being made considers what's in the child's best interest.